Hola y buenos días. Bienvenido a mi clase de español. Hablo Spanglish, un poco de español y un poco de inglés, so that you can understand everything while at the same time you're getting the maximum amount of español for your comprehensible input. Bien, hoy la clase se trata de the points of a compass. My favourite one is el norte because it sounds a little bit like naughty and I like that. So, el norte, then el noreste, and that's the northeast. So I like that too, porque yo vivo en el noreste de Inglaterra. El este is the east, el sureste is the southeast, and el sur is the south. A lovely word, sur. El suroeste. Isn't that lovely? The O and the E make an oeste sound, and it sounds like west. So that makes it muy fácil to remember. El oeste, the west. El noroeste, the northwest. También, very beautiful. Y we're back to el norte. Bien. So, I'm looking at Pasos, página 36 hoy. La idea is to give the location of different ciudades en España y en America Latina. So that's what actividad 2 is, if you have Pasos. If you don't have Pasos, recomiendo el curso, but you can just go on to Google Maps on your computer and you can ask yourself, ¿Dónde está Birmingham, por ejemplo? There are lots of Birminghams en el mundo. En Inglaterra, Birmingham está en el oeste o el centro. No estoy segura. I'm not sure. But, cuando tengo un mapa, when I have a map, I can ask myself and I can answer, ¿Dónde está Gdynia? Gdynia está en Polonia, en el norte de Polonia. See? So you can do that con un mapa. Now there are 3 questions, 3 preguntas that I would like you to get a really strong grip on today. The first one, and these are getting to know you questions. La primera pregunta, ¿de dónde eres? Where are you from? It's a lovely rhythm to it, if you can get that. ¿De dónde eres? ¿De dónde eres? It's nice. Where are you from? The answer, I am from, soy de Wotton. Well, that's where I was born. Soy de Wotton, in Norfolk. En el este de Inglaterra. I only stayed there for 6 weeks. So, perdón, mi geografía no está perfecta. No importa. So that's de donde eres. Your answer starts soy de, and then wherever you're from. Next pregunta, ¿dónde vives? It's a lovely sounding word again. Vives means you live, where you live. Remember, we're not translating the word for do you. We're just saying where you live. ¿Dónde vives? ¿Dónde vives? Vivo en Shilbottle. Isn't it lovely? It sounds quite Tolkien-esque. Vivo en Shilbottle. ¿Dónde vives? Vivo en Shilbottle. So that's your second pregunta. Y la tercera pregunta, ¿dónde está Shilbottle, or wherever it was you lived. ¿Dónde está Shilbottle? Shilbottle está en el noreste de Inglaterra. See? Okay. Another thing for you to practice, other than choosing random places where you might be from and where you might live now and where that is just to ask and answer where different pueblos, towns, y ciudades, where they might be. I would love to hear where you're from, where you live, and where that is. So if you could write those things en español in the comments, or if you're not confident with español puro, you can write in Spanglish. Yo hablo en Spanglish whenever I feel like I'm not ready to give you a certain word, or I can't remember a word, I'll just use it in Inglés. And that way I can still comunicar and I can keep talking. And I hope that I'm providing a good model for you to do the same. It's all about la confianza para comunicar y para usar el español that we already know. So come back soon and we're going to do un poquito más. Muchas gracias for watching. Please like the video. Please subscribe to the channel. Y nos vemos pronto. See you soon. Adiós.